Patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, and peace. Patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. It's the fruit of the Spirit and it's growing in me. It's the fruit of the Spirit and it's growing in me. It's the fruit of the Spirit and it's growing in me. Patience, 5, 22 and 23. Okay, then after that you repeat faster. Wait. Got meaning one because right, the church that we went to in London is a family church. So at the start of every service there will always be like the family worship song first. That's when all the little kids will go to the front of the stage and then they'll start dancing. So the parents also will dance and in the end all the audience also must dance the same song. So will you? Yeah, this is the song.
Okay.
So you just repeat this and then go faster and faster.
Okay.
Okay?
To move the stuff away from you.
5,